Forbes Middle East unveils its annual 30 Under 30 list, and Investcorp Capital closes flat in its market debut. You're watching the Daily Brief with Forbes. I'm Ramia Faraj. Forbes Middle East has unveiled its 6th annual 30 Under 30 list, showcasing exceptional young regional talent making waves across diverse industries. This year's list spotlights 120 entries spanning 4 main categories: commerce and finance, entertainment, science and technology, and social impact. To be eligible for the list, applicants could have any nationality, but had to have their primary impact in MENA. Factors included impact on their industry, future potential, as well as funds raised, awards won, and their social media following. View the full list on ForbesMiddleEast.com. Investcorp Capital closed flat in its market debut today after its $451 million IPO. The investment vehicle, backed by Investcorp, saw its shares open flat on the ADX at the offering price of 63 cents. Shares climbed to 65 cents before paring all gains to close back at 63. The IPO was priced at the top of the range and upsized by 12% on strong demand. It comes as other recent large regional listings have skyrocketed in their debuts. Amazon is targeting merchandise exports worth $20 billion from India by 2025 by adding thousands of small sellers to its e-commerce platform. Amazon says it's very encouraged by the number of entrepreneurs who've signed up. It says there was huge demand for Made in India products. Launched in 2015 with a handful of sellers, Amazon's business-to-consumers exports platform is gaining traction in India. It's added more than 100,000 small manufacturers to sell products to overseas customers. New data reveals Eurozone inflation slowed sharply in October. Eurostat says consumer inflation decelerated to 2.9% year-on-year in October from 4.3% in September after prices rose 0.1% month-on-month. Price rises in the services sectors, the biggest part of the Eurozone economy, added 1.97 percentage points, and more expensive food, alcohol, and tobacco added another 1.48 percentage points. A sharp fall in energy prices subtracted 1.45 points, while non-energy industrial goods added another 0.9 percentage points. Greece has sold a 22% stake in one of the leading national banks as the government aims to show that the previously debt-riddled economy is on the right footing. The Greek State Financial Stability Fund sold 22% of National Bank of Greece for $1.16 billion. Officials say the sale drew strong interest from top global investors, with some adding a Greek bank to their portfolio for the first time. Before today's sale, the Greek state held 40.39% of NBG. Let's take a look now at today's Forbes Real-Time Billionaires ranking, which tracks the daily wins and losses of the world's wealthiest people. Our biggest loser today is Elon Musk. After Tesla's stock price dropped 9%, he's down $6.6 billion, now with net wealth of $240.7 billion. After Walmart dropped nearly 9%, our second biggest loser today is Walmart Air. Jim Walton down $4.4 billion with net wealth of $65.7 billion. Our third place loser is also Walmart Air's Alice Walton, down $4.4 billion with net worth of $64 billion. Check out our website and our social media for all of the latest Billionaires news. And staying with Billionaires, Samsung Electronics chairman J.Y. Lee denied wrongdoing today after South Korean prosecutors called for him to be jailed for 5 years. They've charged him with accounting fraud and stock price manipulation involving an $8 billion merger of Samsung affiliates in 2015. The hearing is the final lower court session before a ruling expected within months. The trial has lasted 3 years. The case is the last against Lee, who was pardoned for an earlier separate conviction. I'm Ramia Faraj. This is the Daily Brief. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend.